Here's what will arrive with your right side starter kit. Printed instruction book. The throwout bearing assembly with the right length of shaft for your application. We've got 3 different lengths of the 4-speed shafts. Because yes, these fit shovel heads. Might be an easier way to electric start your shovel head than trying to find a good aluminum primary. Not to mention that this system is quicker and quieter than a factory starter. There is a gasket with those printed instructions. And here is a hardware kit with the fasteners for the starter, as well as the 3 fasteners to replace the studs, and also the connector for the clutch cable where it hooks to the ball and ramp. Spring loaded. Push here and simulate the starter motor, and it will actuate. There's a good parts tray. The device comes assembled so you can see how to assemble it correctly. You can also see points of lubrication. Do not get carried away with this snap ring. Thrust washer. This grease on the back of this gear is going to have the gear stuck to the face. We pull it up and simultaneously pull on the rear sprocket. We won't have to take the master link from the chain. You can assemble it as well. This cover contains the ball and ramp assembly. Note the grease on the back of the gear. Ball and ramp assembly. Remove this carefully so we don't lose the 3 ball bearings that are in between the 2 halves of the ball and ramp assembly. At this point we could test fit on the transmission, but we can't get the gear off of the dowel with the lever assembly in place. So we will remove the lever assembly. You notice there's a bolt here, a socket head stripper screw as they call them, with the head filled with silicone so that you cannot loosen it. That should never be loosened. There's no adjustment. It's red Loctited. With that removed, we can remove the gear. Notice the grease there. And the lever assembly can be put back with the fork under this washer laid in there, and the 2 screws return to their position, and this is ready to do the trial fit on the transmission.